Hello. In today's video, we'll be going over validation within Sheets in Visual DB. So let's get right into it. So basically what validation is it makes sure that the data that you enter into various different rows of your database are correct in some way. So let me start off with a phone number, for example, and let's say you add in a character like A or something like that, and then it'll say enter a valid phone number. And obviously, entering a character into a phone number isn't valid. So we'll also see that if it doesn't pass validation, we'll get the red squiggly line, and that basically means, hey, this isn't correct. Furthermore, we can go to something like a date of birth. And let's say we made this to 2015, right? If we do that, we'll see we have a policy that employees to be at least 21. So anybody born in 2015 isn't 21 yet, so that won't pass, right? We also have social security numbers. So for example, if I added on extra numbers to the social security number and I put that in, the expected format is this, right? So along with characters, if it isn't the correct length, it won't be validated. So with all of that, we see all of our red squiggly lines. Next, what we'll do is we'll look at an individual validation. So to add a validation rule, you go to the column that you would like to be validated in some way, and then we go down to advanced here, and then we'll see validation. We'll click on that and we'll see field validation. So we already have one rule here, and it's the social security number. So it'll say validation type, social security number, and we'll see all the different types of validations that we can do. So social security number is one of them. We also have the phone number, which we use in the phone column. Also have email addresses, zip codes, credit card numbers, URLs, maximum length, minimum length, allowed chars, disallowed characters, right? All this good stuff. And if you want custom validation, you can use regular expression right here. So whatever you want. And let's add in a custom error message here. You can say something like, this does not fit social security format. We will press OK to that, and we have it edited. We can also add more if you do want it. If you want it to be a required field, you can also do that. So that is how we add validation. And now let's go back and try to fix these errors. So we go back, we fix this to 1995. So this person is more than 21. We take away all of that. That's fixed. And then maybe we add in a 8 here, and we'll see our phone number is back, and we can review our changes and save. And we'll see all of it works because we're matching the validation rules. So that's validation in Visual DB. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.